DL News.
Yaba mu akwaba Africa siabono enchiremu enie Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahamene wabona homaden ejane nanso bemamua ama posi sahene aya pa na foforo COP Christian Tete Yohonu ene watumi esebe bodwumaden abesom Ghana boa ama posi fodwumade omudi ne makonka ma oman so yatimi akonka ne yepam na Ghana fo bakaya ena no pene batuma ne mu se COP Christian Tete Yohonu Ghana mampeni atna boni di so mbatena o Ghana badwan so baba adwuma se posi sign na nima konkan fa ma Ghana a posi adwuma no adwuma de konkan etotwa e Jibri House no oyo Ghana ye mampeni ataye wo nefia dai eye match boso na so edu nan efempem mienu ne de onu eye enum na Ghana mampeni ka se lo tim se papa wa bo adwuma ye pa no wasom papa envinsia ba de se ne edonani o safata pa se ne 40 years wasom no Emerson to bobo no homaden no abaye post sign na bono Ghana ne ma konkan e de ama e post for no Ghana ho ba monso akonkan na mna ne dwumade ne kwaso na opani oso anu sem sei e na todwa.
And so we'll take the oath of allegiance first, and so you say after me and you mention your name when we get to after I, and then you continue alongside. I do in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God. We'll take the second one, which is the official oath, and it goes the same way. I do in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Ghana in the office of Inspector General of Police, and that I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana as by law established. So help me God. And then the final oath is the oath of secrecy.
Enuachi ene Ghana mampeni pemo boata John Dramani Mahama edi adesre edi ato posi sahina ya pa na foforo COP Christian Tete Yohonu enum sem omo no hommode se dwumade ode ahye ni sei pro ne kankan posi ni kwagina kon ojeje ahyenkafo sika omo atwa omo num sa na nso Ghana ho kire na ekos ne senti omo no hommode se sa pro ne kankan yekoso awa posi fo dwumade mu no ase betumatu se deku na finso a posi fo no so ho bambo na o masetem sunkoe na o man a posi fo entumfo motoma efenfra wo Ghana.
Mr. IGP, your role will also involve rooting out corruption within the service. Corruption in law enforcement undermines justice and weakens public confidence in our security agencies. It is crucial that all forms of unethical behavior, from bribery to the abuse of power, are decisively dealt with. We must build a service that is respected both locally and internationally for its professionalism and integrity. Additionally, I want to emphasize the importance of improving the welfare of officers under your command. Policing is a very demanding profession that requires sacrifice and dedication. Our officers must be well remunerated, adequately housed, and given access to proper health care and psychological support. A motivated police force is a productive police force.
Enuachi ena Ghana mampene John Dramani Mahama esa chire mu se COP Christian Tete Yohonu osra wada ba homodia nanansen awidie pa ekoso oman mu ha adwen yentini wato abomade ato ne nsade afra unti wabai bu adwumaden na boa no ma Ghana fo enya gidie ewa post fo visa nansen de Ghana fo ka se wogide post fo mu pa okrum ha de a na ye boa kra.
To our new IGP, I encourage you to lead with vision, fairness, and unwavering commitment. Leadership is not just about authority, it is also about service. It is about inspiring those under your command to uphold the highest standards of professionalism and accountability. Your leadership will be measured not just by crime statistics, but by the trust and confidence the public has in the Ghana Police Service. As you take on this immense responsibility, know that you have the full support of myself and my administration and the people of Ghana. We trust in your ability to build a police service that upholds justice, respects human dignity, and maintains peace across the length and breadth of our country. And so I wish to congratulate you once again on your appointment and pray that you lead with wisdom, courage, and integrity. May God bless you as you assume your new assignment. May God bless the Ghana Police Service and bless our beloved nation, Ghana. I thank you.
Enuachi na Ghana man penny esa twane kasa so ana wo kire mi sei. COP Christian Teto Yohonu ene. We are Ghana nyina posi sahini. Bo homoden se adwuman won tena woto so. Bo moden na o man Ghana mantam mensina hodo mu kinimu. Ma posi fo ne temamufo ne ninsa woso. Na yehunu say yes, posi fo na o man Ghana temamufo yi. Ensa hodie ena sankita hodie bakwaso ye ne anya mugidie bio. Enuachi nso Fabaso abafo kwanso di dwuma ne mmoa na Ghana fo nyina hunu say yes. Aji pewa be dwuma de ahye on say wo die ente za de bedu baby no. Ebenwene ne sen.
They want to trust that the police service will act in their best interest, free from undue influence and without discrimination.
DLFM,
to achieve this, IGP, your leadership must be rooted in integrity, discipline, and innovation. The Ghana Police Service must continue to reform itself to meet the needs of our ever-changing society. Intelligence-led policing, community engagement, and effective deployment of modern technology must be at the core of our law enforcement strategy. Our officers must be well-trained, well-equipped, and motivated to serve with excellence. One critical area that requires immediate attention is the relationship between the police service and the communities in which they serve. Public trust in law enforcement is essential. Without it, effective policing becomes difficult. The concept of community policing must be strengthened.
Ghana man penny we na osenye akane IGP Inspector General Police Dr. George Dampare wabo adwuma ye pese Ghana for ye bona baso pa bi so ba yi wasoma o manu so mpenti sa mo ahodo a post foko o made de tan na chi no IGP fufura wa ba yi so ye tan na chi pa na o mo na adwuma de odie no ohunu so.
Let me take this opportunity to also extend my deepest gratitude to the outgoing Inspector General of Police. He has served our nation with dedication and commitment, and his contribution to law enforcement and national security will not be forgotten. We thank him for his service and we wish him well in his future endeavors. To the brave men and women of the Ghana Police Service, I urge you to give your fullest cooperation to your new leader. You are the backbone of our national security framework. Your dedication and sacrifices keep our country safe. Know that the government is committed to providing you with the necessary resources, training, and carry out the necessary reforms to enable you carry out your duties effectively.
Nekwa kramo no ana posi sahina ne ya pa no so nkwada posi foko nyina no COP Christian Tete Yohonu su kirem say Ghana man panin a onwanu ma seda babodwu maden pa mama hu say yes wa besom na ne ma de ahye ne say so petnas na posi fo sabe ebutimamufo ajeja senkafo sika de bi nsi de bo no homaden say prone kankan yakoso no man Ghana wudie no eto betumatwa no man yakoyanim ewa hobambo ensemu.
Your Excellency the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Your Excellency Madam Vice President, the Chair and members of the Council of State present, Honorable Minister of the Interior and National Security, Ministers of State and all high-profile appointees of government, service chiefs and their representatives, colleague members of the police service, my family and friends, the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. At this glorious moment today, I express my profound gratitude and the honor bestowed on me by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Mr. John Dramani Mahama, for appointing me to this prestigious position as the Inspector General of Police of our dear country. Your Excellency, being entrusted with such a pivotal role signifies a personal milestone. It acknowledges the dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence that have formed the bedrock of my policing career since I joined the service.
Ani awoti ye aye posi sahine Ghana man penny amane swai ne den e de COP Christian Tete Yohonu nene ana awoti ye.
Omanpeni John Dramani Mahama appointed a security service chiefs for Froso Mobabe Juma ewo my Ghana sene ebe yo no so ni dwuma di opeso ndi wo my nim no bibia ebetimi akoso ye ediama no na ye mpenifo miensa wo yi wo mu ye DDGP3 patient Bafo Boni ono na ye director general e de Magana ye prison service sanso na DCFO Daniela Mawusi Into Sapon Chief Fire Officer ana DCI Samuel Basinte Amadu Comptroller General of Ghana Immigration Services mpeniform yensei beboa mampeni se ne be ya na aban so ebetimi akoye ediamano na Enquiries Felix Kwachiofo so no na osoafo a ohwe nkitahudie so nsam ye mampeni akache ana de betuja
te wona mo da Facebook no so no won enti we DJ man boy energy ni makon na tie fo na mo Facebook no so no ehunu bi enti we ni eden DCFO Daniela Mawusi Into Sapon ono kwa kwabo adwuma Ghana National Fire Service ana meboa
fire service
DJ Omalion fo ba kono so bra na yenhwe ne yema Ghana fo ni hu o ma yapa ha we sie Patience Bafo Bonnie okwa kwabo adwuma se den
Director General de Ghana
Prison Service nti mo amoda afiase no mo sahini nie san ko ba kono ka ho ba kono so mra we see den
DCI Samuel
Basintali Amadu okwa adwuma pa Immigration Service won ko ka to ne yama pa
Controller General of Ghana
sikasem bibia o masika bia mfa nchen nti we mu nyina ye mpanifo akodo ene Ghana man panin apa won mo kwabua pa efa anything about security de Ghana man panin sisi ade okwaduro o na ekrokra enti tiefo no momra Facebook nsam behwe bi we de wa ma hu de ye kan na won so bra na behwe mpanifo akodo Ghana man panin wa pa won sika emna nti yanto aso wa hu yanto aka se bonso kopie mam ama se badwane onu gina mum ade ma ade hia wonom ewo Apakan Central ne den ade Patrick yaw boama waka se kirem se ne manim yada omampeni abeda kire professor na anagen opoku wageman omapiem omase badwam na debate enkoso enfanfa oman Ghana kwahoma sika ana anoda Castle atoba force ne kopiem wo no every say hu hia pass omba bekire mu yepam enna eye Patrick yaw boama kirem se wohwe mampeni abeda kire ya wabomode papa besom Ghana okoba adwuma ekoye osofo no hwe oman Ghana huma sua so ni senti ehun ye pa so man na yom bebu ni sese no onim Ghana mampeni ye papa sika sane ma wodo mbaje to no onimu nti enyo mampeni abede je kwa na obedie obapia ma se bedwam na debate enkosom toto na no misa bezane se ya maame yi wo baba da ma nyina no Ghana hanam na ba wo be no emode baba na mode ba abizo mampeni akwa ma bosika ode betu dwe no encheche no pa no ene sen o chire ma ne ba boa pa ma Ghana fo nyina tene ma na se every say dem betu dwa na ne de Ghana fo ne shedanti ase akura o chire so hwe ma Ghana mamra na eye article 111 awo ma Ghana mamle ni mu na e ma ho akwanya se o mampeni abeje betu abamase beja beboa ma debate akoso na momu no o tumi kwotena akwanya se mase bedwane ne betumi aboa ma debate abekoso no Ghana fo yin mu gidie se we de ba wo ba ye wote ne mase amamwo no wuni mu pa venso akwa mabasika de betu dwane so wote ase na Ghana fo hunu se yes mbabo adwuma so mente sa de a on twema na kra ensene mu chemu no enie
the vice president or a member or a minister or a deputy minister who is not a member of parliament shall be entitled to participate in the proceedings of parliament and shall be accorded all the privileges of a member of parliament except that he is not entitled to vote or to hold an office in parliament. Mr. Speaker, I realized that a business committee has made allocation for ministers of state, leaving out the vice president of the republic, who has been very, very quiet. It will be very, very important to see her in action on the floor, debate the president's economic and financial policy, especially having been a former minister for education. It will be very important for her to be here to articulate the policy decision of His Excellency President Mahama. Mr. Speaker, so I want the business committee to amend this and have a time allotment for Her Excellency the Vice President, Professor Nhyiraba Kwadwo Agyei, to be here and debate the President's budget, since she's the first female Vice President of this country. Come and participate, because she's close under the Constitution to participate, Mr. Speaker. We want her to be here.
Any awoti ye Apakan Central wonom mase bedwane ne den ede onimyamfo Patrick yaw boamba ne ana awoti ye
Yanto akasiabone so eneje kum dampari a ogina se district chief executive e Fanti Akao South District Assembly nuwo epoe mantem wadi nsema betudwa se eye omanpani John Dramani Mahama 2025 budget any economic policy no de baye no on de watu ni din se ye ni daso budget pa esanse wo hwe ye mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nan manifesto endi samanyoko no edi betudwa na sa pepepe ana wo budget ni mesanse mu hu so manga na ye ye pa chese ye hia ni daso ntonu do hu ne se eye ndi samanyoko budget no mo di aba no eye pa enkane no ona na ye coordinator edema NDC e wo eye Fanti Akwa South no kire se eye 2025 budget di eden sesaye ebebo oman nim ne kankan ene taxes a omayi ede afri wo no to say ye 11 no esanse na 11 na ha wofo kankan na ye business tycoon se sanse wofo saniska ede amamo ma wo school man na chese 11 daso kakra uchi eska fofo na usansu echi attack sanso na ye businessmen omuso saniska mo business partners a na chese wo so muchi attack sa hodo bebra na ha adwen ye nto mutimi yi free hono ma ya de ebebo o man ne pa
budget na aba there is in sync with manifesto NDC presented for the 2024 elections into a resetting and building the Ghana on want budget that's so budget going forward the mechanism the relief beba pa especially ama parents and guardians one ma school mu various communities if you say enye tambia na obetimi atukwan akoho intina means of witimi disani scano ene se obey mobile money nsu na odi ebi toso akwara na betimi nya the right man na ayi ansa na taxa osan etua intini na edreni awofo no o because be a percentage in the but cumulatively no say 1 month o send this cable 4 times at the amount but anase ye business o the business transactions transfers are be na no be ba 1 month no say o calculate tax no that's not the can nya mobile money operators na utim say huge na won tua na kese preoccupanti no hu ni sa enti ye oban ye we na free ono die abema sesika anka ye di come tua tax akoni na abaye nchen for other purposes ana mrantie no so a betting nya mrantie no kwan de etwa empanifo nyina bi etwa bet bi na me makotwa loto na madi loto a was me tua tax also it doesn't make sense because onipa no oni adwuma papa bia oye enti bi the betting no aye one source of livelihood.
Orie nejekum dampare etwas no kasa obo manpani John Dramani Mahama basu ye power ye 100 million Ghana cedis allowance ose ode ma assembly members omo 261 ye mensin a ewo oman Ghana mu no chese no beboa ama ye local governance system no etimi ahyo modern.
Me say a very good relief for the various MMDAs because Osha Sammy members na juma on ye a location baby on wo na juma on ye no so wonni ahofama wontimi enye 7 your people no enye easy sir nti me de say ye mampani shebo na wa make provision for a be relieve assemblies no pa na ebeboa assembly members no won juma on be e be ma on commitment to the work no so high edi me gidi say ebebo assembly members ne pa na offer to say there certain assemblies wo ma bia on committee kra no a TNT ni city allowance on the assembly members ne kra na ayedin because IGF no massa and this assembly common fund no so almighty akwo reference kan foriata oba na obekapo ye ade emrada ho no oba wa kwasesem akapo capping na or percentage na or yifiri so no or the ko on the presidency yenye project ewo ho enti yes sir on capo na sikana back to the disassemblies no na be augment revenue shortfalls na experience no te abegwa pa
ne krakrem no di tu jase so manpani John Dramani Mahama ebo modin adi ne bosha afimpi mienu ne aduonu nan campaign oye ne bosha obehye so bo modin no di so a MPP amanyoko no mbetena opposition be ye mfie aduasa.
Ano dear, many won adwin because baby a politics no yakudu any said your mampani to tune nyema no. It is not by rhetoric. Se odin nyema pa ebi gu akwan na ade a wo so obeye no ampa wonye tumi na obeye enti empanifo ka bebi se aburo bebo ahwede mfifiriem enti wo hwe se do mampani ahyase yi na nyame ya dom na oso na dae pa koso na otoa so saa de a ene wan hwe ye bedu baabi no ye beka se beye one party state. We will not encourage that in a way, but some mampani toto niema ne saa na ofiri ho na ne successor nso etoa so saa in that direction pa ye hu sesi dia ene said the MPP for nso toto papa so ya ene position dem ye show some betra wache oh say election cycle here 4 years 4 times 6 o calculate ya na 30 something there on betra enyanwa because one try opposition over 30 years pain and another cycle is beginning now. So there's a possibility say some be say ya with their leadership dia and on betra wache 30 plus there you mo atra ho.
Ene ya wuti ye Jekum Dampari a Ojina District Chief Executive Edi Ama ye Fanti Akwa South District Assembly no wo epoe mantemu na manibo ye nsem troni ko ti hin Kofi Obo a no wo epoe mantemu ene de besumye
yanto aka sebonse nyina mwe ewa nkrapopode mantemu na de hia wonom efa ofanko ensewom kwantempo no so ne ye wonom kokwa pai wonom adwa party na hyenka for mo kirem se ye kwampa nene awie se makuni adui omodo mo cast ne nam so ye na cast ni nyina da asesei ahyenkafo akirem se amane amuhunu no de aduro de nyame anim ne kure ni Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama wanye bibia wonom beda kompam na Ghana fo beka ya sa ensewom kwantempo ekwan Ghana mampanin dada na adadan kwa kufuado ena hya se na wo ya sikabotre na mpanifo hia ede aye kwan aye 346.47 million US dollars a kwantipa mo hyase e wo ekita wonsa bosome ne da etoso aduno emfimpim me ne aduonu eye mienum wombo adwuma sanso bedu ba be emfimpim me aduonu na ya to abewe akwa ye kaskara enkwebe ne kwantempo na akoda na bosom ahyenkafo ne kirem se bra mo bra na nse ne nyasem kuma ana na nso nto ye mfuturo pa mo hwenum ye behwa kwan yi so enso to so mpo na agya na nteche omu huna manne so mokọ adwuma ba ko bapana maka na sei ene sika do menya so makosiesie hyen ahyenkafu awura na mo so huna manne wa mo kirem se Ghana mampende adroi de ayadodo ni senti ama samanfo esape manfo media mufo ne nsawo mufo nyina da sika pa isu na wo su o jemse kwantempo na Ghana mampene so amra mo mo bedu baby ni wa hwe ni yomba demonstration na bo visese sia mekese nyade wa hodo na atu atise e wade so mpotem ho no ahyenkafu agyemre ene de yakasebo adwetwe nkomo
omo ha ya ewa kwan ne so go mi ka we containers we to form no na ho no ma bloko na be bi to na ye nyina fa no wo se e ka kase ene nka kitwa nyepe no ma na me fa ya na me fa ho no na me spring ebu ye na me try se mbepie ana me help ties so asan ya dan e pa ye nka ya dia akwan ne ya se nye balance ya we ha nyina ka emba ya so tisi ahwe ka e di ba to hu tisi akwan no a omo ye no sebi in fact omo mboa tisi ka kira mpanyufo kwan bi omo ba fa so boy akwan so ya hu kire ya pa nti de ma mi ka le to fam no ne patu mi ko fa no ma free north no ho ato ya se kwanya no am ya baduru tema wi hwe bia ya ka ba sisi a hawa ya wom no ya kwan no ko mitumi boy wa kwan bia so a ya kwan no ma ya ka hu nkire ya sie sisi a ya hu kire ya ka so isai sisi a mi gina hayi ka we to fam be ya da ma me yire ne mkola no be bibi tom ayi ajojire ya ba nyina kwa no ya na te ya bread ka so to kwa da ya west so to ya west kra every fiscal the guy the beer okay kind of from all the kind of from say kind of VIP no e wo hodo mienu be yi ton anakia no ye no aya maintenance cost e ko na cars yi enamsun ye be se aban se o wa na o ye e ko ka bi maye na ye cars yi ti fasona kewura e ho ntono na VIP ho so ntono kakra
eni a wuti ye aya shankafa wonom efa amasaman ensewom kwantimpon so do anampo efri kremu ekokuma se ne potem ena mo kirem so mu huna mande pranti aban hunu wonom emopo ne kwakra mu na general manager edima VIP ye John Transport ne den ede NS adakabre frempo manson kirem se ye sade akwan ya ye enche bia VIP fo no ombetoto machine tediem ente Ghana fo mababosia de atukwan elvisa muntumi ntrase ama kwambone enhyehye o masan enkoboka enkosiesie o mra o muntum ni senti mona mo ho so se de tebia enche bia VIP fo no o ma hyenche ade no price no be koso na mo so makobobosia ɛde atwa na manya sika de ɛyɛ adwuma nte saa de a ɛbɛgye ta ɛwɔ man yim
yɛte every roads minister no say yes na contractor say abra o mo hwehwɛ emergency funding bi kura de ama no no onye pathway bi kura kakra bi single carriage way bi kakra bi na nke ntimi for no ma still no ntimi enkoso ama as a result of petroleum products ni gina brebe bi ewo as a result of lubricants bi gina any spare parts and akosoro kese ties ni nyina any lubricants any maintenance in the next coming days no VIP be issue statement directors of the company would ratify a proposal said you better to lorry firm so in the next few days VIP better to the lorry first now you better in a humane manner so say in the padom so no e benya bosia aba fro bass no them plan there yet to tumukura menyi ni se betumi mitigate the sort of astronomical operational cost na e cost no.
It's DLFM 106.9.
Any awuti ye general manager Edema VIP John Transport no ne den en edi NAs adakabre Frempo Mouse no chim mbo bosia na ma de Apakan nan sen efrizo muntumi ntrase makwambone ensese wo ma hye we na Ghana ne ye gina we so na ya dan ye ho akwaje yanabofo nkrato ye ba kasebode ya kache bekin kan nyina edi asomo
Makwantu ohunsam aye medadwen nanso me yansam tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adaje ekenkan ye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance enfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madansi die nie ma meni ntrɛw Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na Afekra de Serbia any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri ma menchire wo mo echiri kwan Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier asofan awo ben Wise Park Hotel ewo asofa new station hono a frɛ number 0244291546 email address nso samuel626@gmail.com yeti ehudi enti we connect dreams with opportunities.
Master Planner Junior Kintampon wo chire mi sem Ghana mampeni watena se na wapam IGP dampare we de o divert Ghana for attention de free budget e ba ye nkwankan sunti na wo yes enti we de Ghana for hu pam na budget e ba ne sabe hwi nim hetu ti se atentehuru no yeda se we ya Asante Joseph no chire mi say Asante 1 odifri eye Boga Zare no chire mi say DLFM news no ye emu da pasa no mandam ne Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ne Adwoa Agyei Sikapa no mo bo adwumo ya me nhyira mo pa yenso ya da sisi nia we every Richard ahwe na o kire mi say enimre yi ocha ye pa na adwumadi a ye po no takwado Kwadwo kurom de hye na afia Adwoa Agyei Sikapa Sammy bi mo bo adwuma papa na kase bo no emu da pasa no mandam no hwe live edi free gba station ho no ma na enam DJ Ghana man fidie no studio for my next enti ho no na Ghana fo nyina etie kase bo de free senior ya chewa nimre Kofi Parliament na o kire mi say Ghana for ye hia obi a wani so ade hunu pot ba beda o my Ghana yen asrafo na no ente sada ye tibete pam odifri agona bobikuma apa sine ye dance we sufri yaw ogusu nche na o kire mi say DL news more fire yen so egusu bebo adwuma ma so wani age pa ya dance pam Ghana ni ya ba won chan asema da prusi ni ade sha wonfa Ofanko Nsawam road wo makasa wo mu kire mi say kwan na sa mu huna man ne pa ne ahokira ka wo no shenkene tuka so okokumase abana ni nyina bubu na omo coffee tema kwa kwesiesie mu kyerem se mu adenti adakabre mpo kyerem se anche bia Ghana fo wa ofu VIP bia no mabeto no buom na wabobosia e de atukwan omo se Ghana mampeni anya kwan de omo de bosia ne betukwan efrisa senti abo no ebekwa so ye pa Ghana ni asem we wote a osem sen 053405019 ana 0593406565 053405019 0593406565. Hello, Maju. Nyamiano, opening within a biaga free. Bella come in Tianimley.
Now, I'm going to move on. I say, I'm going to film. When I would tell nothing about Banaba. When I would take a crack,
you.
Don't never tell my wife.
Martin Medasi Bibri. Black, I'm home to dress you. Medasi Bibri, Sikapa, Black, I'm so watch out. Hello, Maju.
Yeah, no.
What for Nhyiraba Kwadwo? What for Niana?
Dabio.
Senior, we didn't have every.
Me ba show Tommy, me ka free. Adenta sisia.
Master Tommy Adenta me yenti animre.
Yo. Ye tie ni se. Sa kwane de enye kura ma pa honum ako atama kasi. Na me ko ba e no na me ka na se nyina ye mbe. Ti kwane de enye. Ti esre aman so onhwe o.
Okay.
Right. Indeed.
Mesmo das bebre senior. Hello Majo.
Yeah, ni o be na.
Senior wodin any baby a okasa free.
Yeah, from me said because every time me no mo ya adwen papa. Che say edin, o fo kwan so a baby say keep good kwan say. Wona mo so a eja okoba pe okwa so aka se no ma. The see child do it. It's sa kana ye bo no ye kwaje firi hwa wo. On say drivers ye can no say bi ye ntwama ba ti wom ye ntwalo to wom it's adwuma be ye no enu bi na the distance ye car no ko one trip ba na so I feel me nyina say a eja na wo ye ndai
edion
into no the ben say ye betu kakra na ye kwedi be to pass because no ko so kan a untumi to shops untumi to budget untumi to isaga untumi to lo wa untumi to no ko to sa de nyina che car ase na so ko one trip ba sa de na say a ma so ko answer by
eno ne asem no senior me da se bebre pa na wadwentre we so nya me nhyira opa hello Majo.
Hello ofa
senior we den ene ba bia akasa free
we ni ofefu na ankata
we dey wat me kwakwa numre senior we you
ho kwan die ho kwan die se kan ofa se me drive me yusu abuso kan ma twedi
okay
na me lodu ne ma di gusu ne se bia re da no se Saturday ne se me call we say o dance ante ofa me kata ma me di kodu yitrewa wo yem besew enso ye tua road wadi o se road wadi wu be ye se da kru pempo police for the mo di bedi no ofa ho kwan die
den
o mo di zewo so mbetu
okay
because so fast so be ba ko mienu miensa o be ko so pa koto spare parts anya sam ketwa o mo ndiri baby ba ko kakrampo na ye mfa ho no ho ayebu asidi efidie bia azu ni space so mpo etere ebi o munya kwan na o beye ofa obuntu aso why
asepa wofa efum we am last caller within baby akasa free good evening senior within baby akasa free
but your son and next pump at your friend
senior me yenti anumre e pa cho jina ye kakra no ahoma ne twetwasi yenti o
am say ada fu yama ni ona kan yenti menka ya pani fu anu sole akakra ombe di enti omo nka no kure ma dala fu ye bre pa
okay
omo salama kwagije vinye tiniska ya be makasa radio so wonka de haye ehia dala fu no ene de wonka ene okọ a trip ba ko pa pass aboso kan aso mo hyehyɛ baby ya the same price so daloma mo na mabo dala fu mo na mo aye why
me da se bebre se won so wo jemre ba dwumadie no eso wiem na Ghana ni bebe ya dure ya frefo ne yesre mo frɛ pa na nso mere nti yentumi emfa bio na kase boni ebu ni kom se pon de am na wei aya woda kase pa Efri Gertrude Mensa osi ye nkenche na damfo do ne ye pa wedin ade Victoria Akosia Kunadu Agyei wo Santa Maria Alan na okirem se opewasem papa na se de odo ho no ye ohun adamfo te sada ni senti ene eyewa we de atwode amponyankopon we onfiri soro mfanhyira kase mrew oma wafono na ene wo se de ahye wanum ma ene wo se gusu kama fita asa no oma nhyira adepa wasuru nyina da ebi emrew nsablam ti we eye happy birthday enko enfama Victoria Akosia Kunadu Agyei wo Santa Maria anan we Efri wa wadamfo Gertrude Mensa ena o se yen kan kire nti we de ene atadwufo wanyankopon enti nanim emfa nkire yensan kwa we su we nsuso Efri eye yene yankasa yene ba ne din eda ye pam Gertrude Mensa yam ene wa wodaw Gertrude Mensa ne o wi show bi ene nsuso ye na wodanti we happy birthday enkoma messages Mespa Asare we ene wa wodanti wadamfo Gertrude Mensa awempo de enye wadamfo we ye wankasa wo ba eye wo baba aha enti happy birthday goes to you Mespa Asare we Efri wankasa wodopa Gertrude Mensa se wodo ye pa mama wasom ne yie pa hwe na amane ne sia fifi de a obehwe ma osia tutunti Nyankopɔn te na nim nkyerɛw onya wo kese na de pa wasase so bi mra wo nsabam te we happy birthday go out to you messays Mespa eye asaria efiri wankasa odoba Gertrude mensa enchen ena wose yemfa woda kese we emfa ema wani mene we na kase bo ne yebunu komu se pon emu se mu fo ne ya maze mebel entry ena se mu etema yen DJ Malazele ko pie mu ewo Facebook no esom akenkan fo nso ye yemienu edi ameje so eye takwade ko dwokrom twebe wode hye konkrom Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, asma pakaje tabetena na kopama so nsema nkansuo no. Ode atoa so e de asam. Ndi yeso so de obetia ne say.
DL Power Sports. Emu ade. Ejawom dead.
Sara Nyankupo pano. Ni Nyankupo atworo say be ho no ene be ye ho. Nti yeda Nyankupo ase. Ansana mistakes na ba in our players side na. Omutumi equalize ye no. Inshallah bro ni say mintu mbase obehwena wasiyese no mabi
the other direction of Kife's economy here
direction me ye na ediko wini na ko fa obi aba na ma high diamond na mitianika kind of you are journalists, some of you don't I think you are doing like you don't go to school. Direction me, I'm taking Confessor to a good direction. We thank God. We haven't lose in our home today. 4 matches, 1 point. Alhamdulillah. You are taking yourself for bad direction, action, bad caution.
Fidagba wotro melegbadura no vinyo fogoto fio wotro ya gamagbado megba no sports yemetwogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update mede kuno wotro ya yomade na madena grona madena masia me promoto fio no chome radio adre DL 106.9 sports eya dimila yeme no metwogbono anyami ganyobi tuobole bo no ko Facebook YouTube bakene mengabo efia no yo beshe watashe ko Wake sports neba egbeji DL Power Sports update mekwa bo fai ni gbekene ochamoko ni mokwake moko ni mofia moke radio afo DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. We are back on your radio this evening to bring you the best of sports update you will get in the nation, capital and beyond. Call DL Power Sports Update. So please call a friend to tell the whole family that they should tune into DL 106.9. The sports team is back again. Ebusia, mamenyina we soma wa joma wa kwaba. Mfambra Enquires atum kasafidie kesia ba kopesu DL. Ohani nsia echiripo enkron. Fiada nyumre ya tenase. Edu fiada se dia oni misane yeye no. Freestyle Friday na watwimuno agudi mu nsem atwitwaguye no akesie na ewo mu no na yede to apono so ne yakaka ye ho na yedi wu nkobo kakra bi ne bia wo manatum na monso mafre abekere madwen enti fiada asaso bi me yatrase yede Freestyle Friday no na ediba enti ebusu ya ma wadwama okwa batamikutu na yemfa nsem no emfa embesum yewia yede amano ne nsem kakra bi bepe so dia ma ye boni teteteu na ya sore so akona dwumedi aka no abetoa so edi amao na ebusia na nyumre kame na memfa seda kese ma Lumba ensupa ta yechire ema yede nsam no eba eyensu a emu odan na emu ti abadwama so a obia enom Food and Drugs Authority ayenhwehwemo agiatum sani nsu a emu odan na yekroje so obianom enti nde open so obenom dia eno ani Lumba nsupa mema menkwan embre nsu a Lumba din ena da so de ese wonim se it comes with quality enti bibia yede ye eye nsu a yebenom de eno ani Lumba nsupa no bombodi ana jibi na bibia kama mo amotunto nso no Lumba nsupa na monton krofo beto na mwanya ska edi agumu botom mo amoda nso ma ne mpatem madam abanya meche mo benya bi ato na kache wa Pietus Lane oben Lumba Sport no 0557 349 401 or Fanko and an empatem Mama Vic Akachimu Benyabi 0500 680-783 Lumba Supanakasa Opebiatwa DLFM ya kachi wa Gbogwa Junction Yane Wisconsin International University no ena edi animhwe obenyabi ewa ya kachi baby bia obi a number sia mede betudwa ifre na mpenefo di bibegu chemu na yede abro 0555 0345 274757 ana 0577 475343 Lumba Nsupane Yumre Omukitemu Emma Yadin Samaneba from afar Minu Akwame Fuma Boma Chidom Meden Saman Eba DJ Marion Facebook and YouTube what the atwo into Kona Kwashe Jumedi NB DLFM 106.9 Sansuna Libya Boga and so our Fiduemua Otan cheaper pay Emma Yadin Samana Aba already seated no sana onim se fiada bia meneno yan Bismarck edu say or fan samana chika krebe e de amaye mi ameti akunya kesie mu atrentre dwedi no di ama no e di ameje so no e ayensu ano de share Apakan GH the blazer kin yatna se yede ensamana ba na won se fiada bia no edu na otwe a yedi nsama kese no nkomo na otwe nsama kese a etodwae ewo Ghana ha no edikano eye GFA president Kate years okreko wo CAF no CAF abato no inde yatone swaba ema oye CAF executive committee member na yebisa se we no mfasode ben ena de bebre Ghana football yedi hu enkomo sanso na wo Ghana mra shebedwam no Ghana fotosamfo eye onionyamfo Kaisel atofo and doctor enso ekopie mu de Ghana foto no erekotudwa na betting tax no na nwa kwayen sensem 10% no si omu yefi o enkrofo edi hu nkoma Dr. Amin Adam Ghana fotosamfo a dada yes Ghana fotosamfo dada o chirema o se omo no oma mfa betting tax bia ma enti betting tax na Dr. Kesa atofo say utwam uyefi ade oma mfa ma no utwam ayefi wo sen eno nso na otwimu trendy samo bia eka ho asem na afi nso no nsem bibiri na yen senior colleague yes senior sports journalist Mr. Yawampofo Ankranso no ene ono na National Sports Authority yafano se omra na ombe director general enti Mr. Yawampofo Ankra nensam so no na otwimu na ya kese ni bia trendy pa na Black Stars call up aba DJ Marion show listing na fato so efamame ye bo World Cup qualifiers mienu ye ne Chad ewo Ghana ne Madagascar edi abweni na ende no list no abetudwa men run through na mu players a umunya call up on dia say ena etie goalkeepers no yamba kuma komiensa Lawrence Atizigi Jojo Walcott ena Benjamin Asare has full goalkeeper no wenya call up ena defenders ni Gideon Mensah Ebenezer Anai Mohamed Salisu Jerome Opoku Alexander Jiku Jonas Ajete Razak Simpson Kinsri Chandler Kamadini Mamudu Mediama player ononso enya call up midfielders no Thomas Tepate Elisha Wusu Abu Francis Kudus Muhammad ena NS Nuyama okọ enim wona omo a ebe lead lines no ne ade ene ntenten no awade amaye no Antoine Semenyo Kamadin Sulemana Jordan Ayew Jerry Free under 20 striker no Enaki Williams ena Christopher Bonsuba we ene squad Otuado ede kobosa games na ede wonsam ede amount na omo program outline senate Monday March 17th ombe training ewa Accra Sports Stadium 5 p.m. Tuesday March 18th ombe training ewa Accra Sports Stadium na Monday training no open to the public na momo no Tuesday dia no closed door obia enko anano so open Monday ni Tuesday training ni nyina open na Wednesday no eno dia enye open obia entumi nko eno so Accra Sports Stadium eno mbe training ukuada dia obia entumi nko nti juada ni ukuada obetuma kohwebi ana juada ni branda obetuma kohwebi na so ukuada untumi nko bi Thursday March 20th no ombe pre-match press conference training any training Accra Sports Stadium na pre-match conference near 4:50 p.m. and after so training no 5 p.m. so na Friday March 21st no game na course between Ghana and Chad yede anwon some dem awon na otwe nsaba kese na tutu dwa no na yede anwon some dem awo enti yawo mpofo ankra new director general ma NSA na afin so no ketokreku GFA ESCO member bet wonsensem blaster squad aba yedi won komotew Bismarck edu sebra na teten
Apakan you agusu sha hope sounds on here
nyame adom me ho ye papa
nyankopon ase na ye kone e be hiem se emphasize dem nyankopon because obi ko ya wantimi ama enra me hu video bi Kofi Adoma wani me reho pa onipa okose cover deba but oba fie na ye say ensem bebre enti no ye kone e ba se ya se ye de ase dem nyame I hope so bibi aboko.
Oh yes.
We dey quick one say
quick.
We dey mefa Mr. Ampofo Yawankra you know.
Mr. Yawampofo Ankra.
Yes.
Ghana Beach Soccer Federation on our president. On one or founder and or president.
And I'm making you show baby on one quantum crow coffee free now Obama Beach Soccer very very attractive. Now if you crampo GFA no so aji account say an obe run account football no way crew I think say one particular personality or media space nima me respecting ye pa
very very respected one ten and one sample
oh we are no integrity reputation and credibility in pimping and the echo and Tronica said dimpa yesi hunya this is a typical example Tronica one seminal and Mwajide say oba na unza Ghana for the mostly some for say appointment be banners ye hwe na nipa ne credibility ne integrity no former ye be bash no but we be a platform be as we be a prisoner and a very
then na kwaka fa no
won
unya hwe aye boninka
what deserving personality o deserve and I'm hoping say in common affairs under past management in the person of Mr. Bawa be Sanswana Professor Chuma Sinsu be Jumani bi. During that time, we will say, I say Shatawale mo concert or stadium, no so almost sell purchase, Stone Boy mo sell purchase. We all know that this is a journalist omunyina this and common binti going forward and the NSA national sasa on Totonia man. Ye sheni mu say san common mmambiem and as yen tibiem. Intino a very well deserving personality. Intino yambona baso. Na yen wishing say Jumadi no yenim capability, yenim potentials, yenim how otifa carry no end. Meti mani J Apakan trust me. First time in the history of Ghana appointment obia nkasa ho de. Man no yambona baso.
Obrano wansi.
Papa.
Me man message congratulating na ND minute krana or respond. Obrano wansi pa.
Yambona baso and yammo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and sports minister no so baso. His Excellency by and say or reset Ghana or reform Ghana and the appointment motion near more I think say or more the right direction or motion in Musa Ghana BBB intino yamo papa na baso now going forward near wishing well say BBBA and they obetimi ayabwa NSA no so obetimi adi hujuma now Apakan quick one for David before I say back former minister no ka say nyom na implemented tax no Apakan youth nenia bre yesre no ye panicho yesre no pa sabi mpanifo say wenye bia ma wase nsa mo ne kro no the past government now His Excellency Nana Adwoa Agyei no the good policy na buy such way say omo the free SHS buy and Apakan and there oko Ghana efie averagely metimi aka say anya hwe kra na say yin kwala 10 and then emu 6 ebetimi o trouble for to betimi akenkan achirichiri machiro it is a policy na a good policy but after sakwala na ko free SHS awie no adwuma be na obeye and ebe onwa say bet no o ma gye tumama Apakan last time na me ni lady bi e wo ba bi a ye din komo and your one crane onya message about no I say hey Bismarck me boy aviator che omo my message say ademi mo bi man am say hey baby I say bet no chacha na du no sabi e ma krompo sa agiatum me dem say chacha den ka e mema gudi
e no na youth no dey survive
say ma to the extent say man nyina ya bi aviator Apakan me am shame and you see say youth na agiadina tum say omo ni any forms and any means be on survive into so much chacha na tum and chacha no omoji tum no hwe first quarter January de ba montin say sika oma fetch out of sa betting tax na eye way by far I mean bigger than 11 no omo de buy nimpo enti e kire say na omo jiska ho sa avenue no omo jiska papa betting tax. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Abeyi this way we have for youth. So instead of saying, come on, no tumna going forward, the actual how very set Ghana reform Ghana. You are here telling us, and you're going to implement it. Yeah, Sansen same will be now. Of course, my NPP core position and Sebi, Satete propaganda. I mean, political ways are say almost ways and means be on bed changes scenario and as a narrative, no. And just on bed position, I'm telling you. Some people form Sebi Kofobi same coin, no by Kasabe shake youth no phobia. On bed position, maybe better my politics, but as a pan American, it's yes wrong. The pomocho omo de omo hwe bet tax na betting tax e yifru no e ye pa mimi ntwa bet ni bu bet udim komo pa yenya vox pop ye from DLFM animu ya yemfa you the Wisconsin University for ya yemfa ni pattern na hwe an mudu do omo twa bet e bi di tuo mu school fees you see etino e ye okay na ketin so yemo na baso sabi empanifo se de opa de akokotoko ne engina bro yes intini yemo na baso say ne okọ represent Ghana and going forward no yenyina all those say niema ne de enye ni nyina na yenye de akoso nyina na efie ne de enye ne nye yes because yem football nyama nkoye but okọ na nim wa bro chire ne de ye ntwene nsa ye ba support no e ba bi so say o me say bibi say abontinsu ni mefa nko de o mo obabi sa ntino ket de yemo na baso na say tire nka na no nkyere say bontinsu ni mefa nko mu ntino anya shokra no e Ghana ni nko ade yemo but okọ na nim sense on hwe say sabi ye boda ma ye bo frifie enti wo kwa kaf na ye be hwe na wo Ghana oniama nye yi a wankasa ye anim guasema wankasa enti no going forward no say ye say o elevate Nyankopon ma no so enti no onhwe na niama ento sinsu ofie no ontoto niama and blasters call up so dey wa ni Apakan be no dey ye na enjai no na ochina yes enso atrama so mo league ni bi omo ochina na we omo safety no be to me guarantee but me uni say yeah because sabi ni esi ni dey enso atrama team no I'm not wishing doom team no ne papa ye dey ebesi ni na so na be dey Apakan uji ni pankwa emoje mu odu che upon pa dey be papa bi mu na agi nyame bam upon domet entutua ometutu bi masa eni pankwa Apakan mate yamfa two course bi na yenye ne yenko no ochina e ba beto aso 0534050199 and 0593406565 enkoma ye di wo ba na waboni tew e di amaye na ye na ya story so na yakọ ochina anopo ebo no nkronkosi dumenu e beba na ne aka echi bia no ye di abeto aso di ama 0534050199 and 0593406565 and so atremanse lege no omo mbobiem because omo safety no obia into me and guarantee farm omo pache odi ni bia akasafi dabi went to me enyina so enso ewo ho 0534050199 and 0593406565 intisana mekano inso atremana twiomo edi afi league no enso so ewo ho a yede enwonsam edi amawo enso so ewo ho wasaba biem ma menhwete we de befa dabi went to me enyina so ewo ho no na amanone no endra UEFA Europa League no ene Conference League no games eto dwa na games na eto dwa no ene no ye round 16 ni nyina enti me no ka say quarter final no ene set quarter final no wo Europa League no Tottenham Hotspur ene Eintracht Frankfurt bebo Bodo Glimt ene Lazio bebo Rangers ene Athletic Club bebo na Olympic Lyon ene Bobo Kwefene Manchester United ede abo ene Conference League no omo quarter final pairing no Ligia was on Chelsea ebebo Jugaden ene Rapid Wien bebo NK Search ene Fiorentina bebo na Real Betis ene Jagalonia ede abo ene enso so ewo ho na ene nyume Lex na koso okay wasaba men try befa pacho di ni bebia o kasafi
e pacho ye frame Benghazi me kasa free dan so man
Benghazi pacho bonite o fama ensema ye brobro so
opening na me pese me busa se mo se esu atrema so Agyei league ne bo
I league no mo se o ma redraw mo safety no pen phone to me and guarantee ma
okay esu be kum tro mo no ja asase dro no odna ho hene koya na nkaye pacho obi nkasa bi that's
Answer yeah that's say o buy lines no kra na hard dream papa na se na America no Europe no enanwume leagues ebetodwa na La Liga no okay Pache odi ni baby akasafi
hello
yes sir odi ni baby akasafi
good evening Pache brefum ni o
ah brefum
yeah Mr. Dansumai na dey ti no mu jabo
so almost same phone to me guarantee
almost person league na so person mo yede
yeah same
oh Ghana dear okay for been to us why
Wate yeah that's say o buy enso ewo nti se na make an enanwure Spanish La Liga no twe Bobo Kwefel Las Palmas any Deportivo Alaves bebo Germany ebo 7:30 St. Pauli any TSG Hoffenheim ebebo and Italy Serie A 7:45 Genoa and Lecce and France 7:45 no OJC Nice any AJ Oze Eddie ebebo any English Premier League no David Moyes in the year as a Premier League manager of the month of February and Mohamed Salah and a player of the month of February. Last caller family na yes sorry so.
Oh yes, I good evening.
Good evening.
Na mo ti say.
Nyame adom pache ye ho na so e.
Nyame adom I dem take my palm yo.
Yeah that's it.
Na Instagram mo
Mpache odi ni ba bia kasafi.
Me the Michael.
Okay. O kasafi.
Ni Fefi Atiko.
Okay, Mike Atiko mpache ntio.
Ne ba ni tena Instagram mo so mo boni bi mu.
Almost see almost safety no pen phone to me guarantee ma omo.
Anti adentia.
Say Nancy aye hu say na asa kukuo mo baby na boy bi didi omo achi ni ade de moto ekoye nsem bebre. Enti asa omo suro so obi be ye omo bi.
Na say on say ya se de bi abika. Aka say. Ya say enkemra bi so omo. Enti so mi ja pe kope. Me say do mo ya wo sere na mo ye ye. Emu mu se mo nu na mu nye bi na mo ye ya. I just said the no. I got it. It's a no. And the form is that Terasa. As you find the final, or that you could be a maybe to me real because I would double for what? Eh? But I must leave you, Mamma. Come on.
Mate, yeah, that's on Sony. I'm trying to mean for phobia. Bismarck, yeah, or China Babel twas. Well, and so at Tremana 7 year. Meka embrano enho aso twen yasem getwa o ekwakofa enyama bebre dia bre en leg no leg no matwe omo afim no enti no kire be ka hu nsem bebre yes nanso atreman tim no die agi nyame bam because nipa moja pa no de ne o
masa nya yizo abakan ti yakon yan chia tiefo na nyankopon ya admo kina yenhia yes ebono nkuna
yes enti verase anu ya Bismarck edu se na DJ Marion fa 49 nana picture na to so mame na ene one lawyer and ardent listener and follower of DLFM ne birthday na media wa family to say ninua of frame bi same se na me wontie na de on family ndi agrokra enti Abbas Austin aka 49 nana and then we only oh guy man
heavy guy pa o shede ya wa boni kiki ne channel
heavy brutal enti Abbas Austin aka 49 nana yes 49 nana ndey wa woda na mesre nyankopon nhira ene ne kese ne bibia o hwehwe wa brabom bia no nyame mfama o me hu se efiti anopa ya hwehwe wa anti no me nso me de media pay so enti 49 nana aka Abbas Austin me bra penny no ene wa woda happy special birthday nkoma nyame nhira na onye okese no nto nkwanam nia o hwehwe e wa brabom bia no on fandom once again Abbas Austin aka 49 nana happy special birthday to you na omayo yanko haji ade ne so yamfa no wie na wei efi nana Safo Kantanka yes nya ye nana Safo Kantanka yes o say pretty mona o nkoko yes pretty mona o nkoko enna wa woda enti nana Safo Kantanka aka Eto o say o we shewo pretty mona a o nkoko o we shewo happy special birthday nyame nhira onya okese onto nkwanem okukwa mu mpaibo bia no nyame ntie no onya okese enti once again pretty mona o nkoko from nana Safo Kantanka Eto o say o we shewo happy special birthday ebusi idea si ye ko nyame adom ochena ebo anopa no nkron 9 am ekosi prem to bre 12 noon awia yenhia don hwere miensa mu a ye de agudie mu nsam e de bebro china ye wa exclusives bebree e wo show ni so a ye de beba ntima mesi show na no pa no nkron ekosi prem to bre ne yemfa emro 9 am till 12 noon na bibia anya fan aseda enkoma kwame fu wota ye kire ye de nsam no e de by DJ Omarion e de enko Facebook and YouTube ye da no asemi amede nsam na by dia meje so no e ayensu ano de hye Apakan the Blessed King oti Bismarck edu senka na afenso na Libya boga wa ha o my moral support ye de nsam no e de abamia me bra pani Mr. Kofi Ayenu wa yensu ano so wate one wife Sister Mary Mincham ya so nyame yadoma o china no pa eye no nkron ye nhia ya kro bibia